Hey guys, and welcome to the Akinon's YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about the CSS box model. So let's get started. For those who do not know, the box model is a structure defined to every HTML element and defines certain properties based on how items are aligned, the spacing between them, and so forth. There are certain properties present inside this box model, and we are going to learn that. So first things first, on the left side of my page is where the website is going to get displayed, and on the right side is where I'm going to write my HTML code. So on a single file, I have already imported the boilerplate code, and inside the body, I've created a div class of box, and all it says is this is my box model, and I'm triggering the styling using the class method dot box in the style tag. And now let's see what happens. So first things first, what I've done is I am inspecting this box model using right click inspect, and then I'm checking this. If you check into the inspect section, you will find certain box like structure, which is also known as the box model properties. So first things first, it says 893.6 into 18.4, which means it's trying to tell us the width into height dimensions of the data that's getting displayed. Then as you can see, there's padding, border, and margin. But as you can see, there's no such highlighting on the website when I'm going over these contents, since these properties aren't been set yet. So the main four properties present inside the box model is one, the content, then the padding, third, border, and finally we have margin. So the content is obviously the data that's present inside any of my tag. Then we've got padding. So what we're going to do is to create certain padding. I will do that here. So I'll say padding, and let's keep it for the timing 10 pixels. And now as you can see, there is certain padding around my content, and to even change its color, let's try to set certain color. So we come to know what's exactly happening. So the color will be, let's put a background color of red. And again, so you can see now we have certain padding around our text content, and if I show you that, as you can see, it's getting highlighted right over here, and this is the content, and the highlighting is getting a bit not visible. So let's try to change this red color to something a bit light so that we can see the highlighting that's here. Okay, save it, and as you can see on the highlighting, now it's getting highlighted. Now let's check the border. Again, for a border, what you need to do is set the border, and let's say 10 pixels, solid black. And now we have set the border property to our class, and as you can see, now the data is present because I have set a padding of the value 10 pixels and border of the value 10 pixels. So as you can see, it's getting highlighted on our website. And finally we have the margin. So let me set that margin, and I can say do that to 10 pixels, and that is the area that's going to be present outside, and that's going to corner out the whole box model. So let me show you that. As you can see, the margin that's present. So let me again full screen this and explain you everything right over it properly. So first things is our content, then we have padding. That means the extra space that needs to be present between the end of a div tag and the content. Then we have a boarding, that's simply an alignment around the div tag. And finally we have margin, so that the distance that needs to be placed between corresponding tags in our HTML file. So that's it. We understand the basic understanding of a box model. Using these properties, you will understand a basic concepts as to how data is stored in tags, and you will be able to build websites using the right concepts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to drop the like button and subscribe to the Akinon's YouTube channel for more fun and interesting videos.